Hello everyone. So our next topic is all about HTML links. So we can use A tag and H reference, that is hyperlink reference, that is the attributes actually. Okay. So we can write A and then H reference equal to like any website name or any particular HTML page where you want to jump. Basically link, or you can say hyperlink, is nothing but jump to another document or another website, etc. Suppose you want to, when I click on this visit google.com, it should redirect me to www.google.com. Okay, like you can write any other website name also. So I'm writing https www.google.com, and when I will execute this code, I'm going to get only one message, which is visit google.com. That's it. Okay, and with underline obviously. And when I will click on that message, it will redirect me to what? https google.com. So let's check the output of this also. Control S. Okay, yeah. See, it is showing visit google.com, and you all can see the mouse arrow. It is in the shape of hand actually, not like this. Okay, now when I will click on this, okay, so yeah, so now you all can see it has moved to your google.com. So by default, linked page will be displayed in the current browser window only. See, if I click on back button, it will be something like this. So in the same tab, you will find this. But suppose you want to open this website on another tab, another window. So in that case, we can have a target attribute. Okay, so target attribute can have any one value out of four values, and these four values are: first is the underscore self. Okay, that is the first one. It is default. If you are not writing, still it is underscore self only. It will open the documents in the same window, or you can say that same tab. Okay, then underscore blank, it will open your document or that website in a new window or a tab. Okay, then underscore parent, it will open your documents or website in the parent frame. And last one, which is underscore top, it will open your document or website in the full body of your what window. So we can do one modification. We can write target equal to underscore blank, and let's see what output we are getting for this. Okay, here only you have to write target. Okay, then equal to sign, and in double quotation underscore, because all these four names are like underscore self, underscore blank, underscore parent, underscore top. So we are going to use underscore blank. Okay, and meaning of this underscore blank is nothing but it will open this website google.com in a new window, or you can say a new tab. So control S. So let me execute this one more time. See, we are getting visit google.com. Now I'm going to click on this message. See, it is in a new tab, not in the same tab. Earlier it was like underscore self. If we don't write, still default is what? Underscore self. That means the same window only, or same tab actually. But if you are writing underscore blank, you will find your website open in the new tab. So that is all about what? HTML link. Thank you everyone.